Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan Odom. I am a Fusion Community Manager and I'm also the factory boss. We're here at AU, the Design and Make Conference in San Diego, California. Partners include Xometry, who produced all the production runs of our parts. We've got Haas, Mazak, SMEC, Prusa, and Formlabs producing parts here on site. We've got paperless parts for estimation.
Yeah, so Xometry is a digital manufacturing marketplace. Customers can upload their 3D CAD files to our site. We use AI machine learning to provide instant pricing and lead time. So we started 3 years ago at the New Orleans show, and then we also served the Las Vegas show making parts, and now today here in San Diego.
So we're here in the factory experience to represent the prototyping phase for the product development lifecycle. So the keypad that everyone is building here in the factory, it was prototyped on Formlabs machines.
So Mazak is part of the factory experience this year for the first time. We're one of a couple of machine tool providers here. We're making the little aluminum base plate that goes into that assembly.
During the factory experience, we are making all the parts on the original Prusa XLs, giving you the experience that you can print multiple filaments really easily and straightforward.
Haas and Autodesk have a symbiotic relationship. This is the enclosure we're making for the Fusion Factory experience. It's a enclosure for a keypad that will provide shortcuts for Autodesk products.
Yeah, we're sponsored this year by HP and Avnet. Avnet's an electronic components distributor that has some amazing tools to help you estimate and plan projects for PCBs, which is a really important thing to me for this project. We also used HP's Fusion multi-jet machines to do some of the production parts for this device.
Inside the factory, we're building a very cool macro path. It's really cool to see the complete end-to-end experience between designing a cool electronic widget with the mechanical housings, the manufacturing of the custom components, and then the assembly and the manufacturing execution system that's on display.
I look forward to this every year. It's really fun to be able to put something together. Fusion touches every part of that, from the preliminary design to analytics to manufacturing itself. And this gives us a chance to see each piece of that process, how Fusion fits into it, and how our partners empower our customers.